How's it going, guys? Welcome back to episode Life and Easy. Today, guys, got another video coming at you. Got a quick product review of the TrebLab XGO wireless earbuds. So just hop right into it. Got my other camera over here so you guys can actually see a hands-on of me actually using the headphones. So, quick rundown. These are TrebLabs who I've worked with in the past. Sorry I'm uploading this video so late, but I've worked with them in the past. They're a great headphone manufacturer. They're a seller on Amazon. They create really nice budget-friendly earbuds with great sound quality. We reviewed the TrebLab, I think they were called Z2s in the past. They were over-ear headphones, and I did a review on them. And those are really solid. I've been using them ever since for gaming and just listening to music. They work in both wired and Bluetooth mode, so those have been awesome. And they sent me out a pair of these TrebLab XGOs to take a look at. So I had been using them for just listening to music, podcasts, and going to the gym and working out with these and listening to music while I'm exercising. So they come in a case like this, similar to like the Galaxy Bud case, just slightly larger, and it's a little clear on top, as you can see right there. So you can actually see the headphones, and it says TrebLab right there as well. Micro USB to charge, and it has a little button right here to flip up, which I really like. This is sick. Just flip it up. It's kind of like a fidget thing. I would have liked to seen USB Type-C, but that's hard to find at this kind of price range. These retail around $30 on TrebLab's website. I'll have a link down in the description below if you guys want to check these out and go buy them for yourselves. So let me just get into overall aesthetics and show you guys what these look like. Let me just switch over to my other camera. So here we go. These are the TrebLab XGOs, $30 by TrebLab. As I said, here's the charging case that they come in. One cool thing is that even though you have a right and left earbud, you can actually switch these and put them in whichever spot they want. They're kind of like universal in a way, and you can just change out the ear tips as you can see here. So marks it right and left, and let me just show you a bit more of the charging case right here. As you can see, just put them right in there, and you can click this button to show your battery life and whatnot. So it's pretty standard case. It's a good feel. Wish it was a little smaller, but hey, what can you do at this price point? So getting into the earbuds themselves, I have to say that, okay, so like, let me just mention one thing. The pairing process was pretty solid. It's pretty standard for earbuds at this price point. It's one of these where you just hold down one, hold down the other. They'll connect via stereo mode, and then once they're connected to one another, they'll connect to your smartphone. So as you can see, it has the red and blue blinking lights. They'll pair with one another, and from there, they'll pair with your phone. So pairing process is okay. Not the best, not the fastest, but it's pretty solid. Not as good as my Galaxy Buds, but ear tips, nice that they give you extras for whatever size ear you have. I have pretty small ears, so I usually use a small ear tip and whatnot. And just getting into overall sound quality, this is where I think these kind of fall flat in a way. I think that they have a pretty solid fit in the ear, good noise isolation and whatnot, but I think the sound is a bit distorted at times. The bass is pretty solid on these. However, I think the highs and mids tend to get a little tinny at times. So obviously for $30 you're not going to get like Bose sounding headphones, but they're decent enough, and they get extremely loud. If you guys like listening to really loud music, those get pretty loud without distorting the music too much. But keep in mind that they're not the best sounding. Overall, I'd probably give them like a 6 out of 10 for sound quality. But they check the boxes on every other spec and feature. I really don't have any complaints other than the sound quality being mediocre, but I think they're worth the money, and I think you guys should go check them out. Obviously, they're at a competitive market because they make so many wireless earbuds right now. But I can tell you that TrebLab is a solid company, and I've been happy to work with them in the past, and I hope to work with them in the future as well, because they make really good products and they make them really affordable, because they're trying to capture that budget side of the market for headphones and whatnot. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new about these headphones. They're really solid. They fit in the ear pretty solidly. Let me just put them in like so. They don't usually fall out or anything, and they isolate sound pretty solidly. So other than the noise quality not being that great, no complaints with them. I highly recommend them. So $30, go on Treble Labs website, pick up a pair, and if you guys enjoy this, leave a like on this video, subscribe, hit that notification bell, go check out Life Made Easy merchandise. Got a bunch of new stuff down there with my logo on it, and it would support the channel greatly. If you guys have any video suggestions, leave those in the comments down below, and check out Life Made Easy podcast, linked in the description as well, if you guys enjoy podcasts, and I'll see you guys in the next upcoming video. Peace.